Hey guys, this is Roman on Fire here. Welcome back to another Minecraft tutorial, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a trade shop that I made. Yes, this is a trade shop where you can put in items and it'll give you other items. So I'll show you how it works. You just put in an item and you get an item back. So yeah, it's a very simple trade shop that I made, and there is only one problem to it, and that is if you put two in at once, it will only give you one back. So yeah, that is one problem with it. That is one thing to watch out for. As you can see, I only got one back. So yeah, it's very simple. I made it all myself, and it only works on Bedrock Edition. So, because it uses a sticky piston that pushes a chest, as you can see right here, and this chest holds the items. So I'll just show you guys the redstone real quick. It's very, very, very simple. As you can see, it's just a trail of redstone with a comparator right there. And there's just a repeater and a sticky piston, and then it goes all the way here and links to a dropper. So yeah, it's very simple. I'll show you how to build it. For this build, you're going to need some basic stuff. As you can see, you're going to need all these items right here. And you will need paintings and carpets, and I'll show you why later. And you will also need 4 non-stackable items, so it could be shovels, swords, beds, whatever. And 63 of the items that they will give you, and a bunch of items that they will receive. So yeah. So now let's just start building it. So first, let's get our stuff out. And we're just gonna break this chest right here. Let's get our stuff out. Break that right there, and then we're gonna start on the hopper right now. So get a hopper, and then place it, and then get a carpet. Wait, first let's put the stuff in. So get 63 of the items in front, make sure it's in front, and then put the 4 non-stackable items over there. Then crouch and place a carpet. And then now we're going to build the frame, so just build a little frame around it. Then we're going to get the comparator. Let's get the comparator out. There we go. Okay, and then get some blocks there. And then just dig out right here. And then we need to get our redstone dust out. So let's get that out. And then just place 6 along here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then just go across here. And then just wait until the redstone dust fades away. There we go. And then you can just break this right here. So now we are gonna the painting right here. So let's just get the painting out, and oh, whoops, that was a mistake. Let's quickly fix that. So let's get the hopper out, and let's just put the stuff in it real quick. So we got our gold nuggets and our stuff. Okay, so then we'll place a painting right there, and then get some blocks. And now let's just dig this out right here. Then we're going to get out our sticky piston, and we'll just work on this part right here. So where the redstone dust fades, just place a sticky piston, and then you want to dig this part out right here, where the hopper is, and then get out your chest, and then place it on the sticky piston. There we go. And then let's just quickly fill this in. Actually, no, we need to put our redstone repeater right here. So just put it right here. Put it on the block that the comparator is on. Then we'll just dig it down right here. Then we'll just dig out and then get some redstone. But first we do need to put the dropper in, so let's do that. So let's take out the dropper. And then you want to place it flush with the floor, like this. And then you want to get a piece of carpet. Just crouch and place that so that they can't take your stuff. Now let's just add the redstone. So you just want to get rid of that block right there, and then place 3 redstone dust. 1, 2, 3, and that should be linked up to the dropper. Okay, so now let's see what else do we need to do. So let's just fill this in right here. And oh yeah, we do need to fill in the items right here, so just make sure you put the items in. I totally forgot. And then, oh, I think I forgot to put some gold nuggets in here. Let's just fix that. There we go. Okay, so now we got that solved. We can test it out. We just get a gold nugget, and then we place it right there, and then we get our item. Bam, it works. Just show you one more time. It works. Great. That's all it is. And then you can get your items in the chest. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just fill it in. So yeah, that's pretty much the shop that I made. I hope you did enjoy it. And you can get your stuff right here. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the end of this video here. I hope you guys did all. And yeah, be sure to check out my channel on the left and click on another video on the right for more content. See ya.